equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the fan in your HP 250G6 laptop. This is a crucial maintenance task that can help prevent overheating and ensure your device runs smoothly. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. You'll require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some compressed air for cleaning. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery if possible. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. There are typically around 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take these out and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the panel in place. After the back panel is off, you'll see the internal components of your laptop, including the fan. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean the interior of your laptop. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust and debris that may have accumulated. This not only helps with the fan replacement but also improves overall airflow within the device. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Now, let's focus on the fan. You'll notice it is secured with a couple of screws. Carefully remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard. This can be a bit tricky, so take your time to avoid damaging the connector. With the old fan removed, it's time to install the new one. Position the new fan in place and reconnect the power cable to the motherboard. Secure the fan with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight and secure to prevent any rattling or movement. After the fan is installed, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened adequately. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it, plug in your laptop, and power it on. Check to see if the new fan is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help without any pressure. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the fan in your HP 250G6 laptop. If you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we also offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.